Right. My pro is not good today, okay? Sorry about that. And, well, I'm Vincent from VA. Well, I was told I only have 8 minutes, but I just found out he has 15. Well, that's all right. Just kidding. Because the energy level is low, and I'm the final one, so I want to make it quick for you, okay? So, just in case you're not familiar with BEA, I just put my corporate profile here, not for marketing, but just to let you know who is BEA. And over here, I don't want to mention all these points. I'll just put it here. You can refer to it. In Hong Kong, we have one of the largest branch network in Hong Kong, and we have more than 88 branches, 63 Supreme Gold Center, that is our high net worth center, and 7 financial centers. In China, I think VEA is one of the pioneer and leaders in as a foreign bank in China. It's strange because Hong Kong is part of China, and we are based in Hong Kong. But we are regarded as a foreign bank. Okay, so we do have branches in Southeast Asia, Singapore, Lebanon, and United Kingdom, London, Manchester, and also North America. So BEA is actually a market leader and pioneer in e-banking, and we are the first to roll out the internet banking here in Hong Kong, and we are also the first to launch the total independence from network, device, mobile banking, and also trading in Hong Kong. Well, we provide our customers with apps from iPhone and Androids, but we are also the first to roll out the payment gateway service from mobile for mobile platform. Well, actually, I'm looking after of all the channels of the bank virtual and physical, CRM, e-marketing, stuff like that. And well, as you can see, we have very comprehensive offerings in internet banking and mobile banking, and on the apps, we are now more on the lifestyle focus, and we've been going to the social media last year, and the result is very encouraging. But today, I've just picked one of our innovation in BEA as a showcase to you. So I spent more time over here such that you will know about this new concept that we roll out in Hong Kong. Now, if you are familiar with Hong Kong or you come to Hong Kong often, you will know that Hong Kong is one of the cities in the world that has the highest rental. And now, just for your projection, now I just learned from my colleagues there's a shop front in Causeway Bay. It's only, well, if you want to open a branch in anywhere else, maybe 2,000 to 3,000 square feet is at least the right size for a branch, right? So what is the rental in Hong Kong for Causeway Bay? We are talking about 3,000 more plus Hong Kong dollar per month. So just a simple calculation. If you have 3,000 square feet times $3,000, that means we are paying $9 million a month. So who can afford this? Of course, watch company. And maybe the goldsmith, branded goods. Well, actually, for banks, I don't think this is our, area for business, right? I don't think only a few banks can manage to open their branches over there. But, out of the question is whether they can make profit or not, right? So the very tough market situation, we have a tremendous pressure in Hong Kong on the rental. Though BEA is one of the banks that have most of the property by ourselves for branches. But still, we have to look at this situation. And in order to, Hong Kong is a very small place, but we have a very, if you do want to have geographical coverage over there, you still need a lot of branches. But the customer, their behavior and needs is changing rapidly. And of course, in Hong Kong, not only the rental, but also the neighbor costs and all the costs involving incurring in branch operations is getting higher and higher. So to tackle this situation, then what we are doing is we launch a solution called iTeller over there. So in order that we can set up these iTellers as prime locations such that it takes up just a very small space in the soft run, and over here, and you can, together with a multifunction ATM, they are already doing 80% of the functionalities of a full-range branch. So not only to cover the area, but also we need to have long service hours. So we try to set up this iTeller to tackle how we can optimize our resources, and over here, how customer can be able to have a good, very good experience. So if you look at the screen, you will find my colleagues is picking up a phone, and there's one teller up here by video conferencing, and there is a working panel over there. This is totally an innovation and to provide an interaction and integrated system for the customer. So through the iTellers, that is, the teller is of course at our call center. And we are providing a one branch for all sites concept over there. And the teller, once the customer go to pick up the phone, the teller will greet him and do the transaction just like he is doing at the physical counter. Okay? So the working panel can be operated by touchscreen and also electronic signature, and over there there's a small scanner such that customer can be identified with the ID cards, and also we have a small printer. But now we are the second generation of this iTeller now. We have a A4 scanner over there such that the customer can apply for loans and also credit cards and account opening over there. So we've done this totally in-house, and process is totally straight through, and it's paperless. Everything gone straight through, so we don't need have huge support at the back. And by our call center staff, everybody is having a very consistent service quality, and they are professionally trained, and we are using our call center service level to evaluate their performance. So if you come to Hong Kong, please go to I think most probably you will visit Elements, one of the most prominent shopping mall over there. And this is our branch at Element. So you have video walls and iTellers, and on the other side, actually, you have ATM multi-function ATM machine over there. And for this particular branch, we are only operating at 1,200 square feet with 2 physical counter branch, and also a high level center inside, together with an iFinancial center. So all 3 components is only taking up 1,200 square feet. Well, maybe for some countries, very difficult to imagine, but Hong Kong people is accustomed to such a limited space for operation. Don't worry. Okay, this is gives you some ideas how we can make use of our call center to provide different. Now we have 17 iTeller installed in different areas, and in MTR, in hubs, in prime locations, major shopping malls, and people, our customer and people are more accustomed now to make use of that, and is welcomed by our customers. So this is the first of its kind in banking industry, and we are not trying to do something very fancy to for some high level of image promotion, but we want to make it very practical, very feasible, very usable, such that everybody can be happier in using this particular eye-tellers. So it changed the service model and it breakthrough. And our iFinancial Center that is composed of ATM machine, eye-teller, and 2 marketing staff over there. They are doing business from Monday to Saturday, 9 to 7. Okay, so we have an extend hours in such a prime location. We don't need to operate the branch and all the people inside for such a long time. And I think it's a perfect example of brick and clicks over here, because at the back we are making use of our a lot of our e-channel solutions and technology at the back. So just a latest recognition from Hong Kong. The eye-teller has won the Innovation and Creativity Grand Award from Hong Kong Awards for Industry. This is the award championed by the Hong Kong government. So just to share this piece of information with you. So if you do have time, come to Hong Kong, try it out for yourself, okay? Thank you.